was actually kind of an interesting question too. Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Well, I ain't gonna pick you up.
What?
I ain't gonna pick you up. You're too light. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna try to take a picture. I'd never get it. Yeah, I know.
Something about peeing when there's like electrical storm going on. It's not really cool. That was a good one. You got it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Should have the actual video camera on it, see if I can get some still shots of it off the camera.
I looked up.
I didn't get that one.
Holy crap.
Trying to get
I looked up and I choked on my own spit.
with the trees in it and the one background of clouds, so it like comes out of the trees and the clouds and goes across, but it's not.
It's like
going there.
I don't ever think I've heard thunder.
Continuous like that?
What's that?
That's that continuous?
Yeah. Well, the lightning is continuous too. It's always flashing. It's all up in the sky. Nothing's coming down.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna die. That was my death moment there.
Damn it. As soon as I moved away. There's...
That one went back up in the clouds and came back down in a different spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna do this for 4 minutes.
It made the Holly Magic gap.
Shut up, now I want to play Tony Hawk instead of Burnout. I got, I think, 1 or 2 newer Tony Hawks I haven't played yet.
You know what's happening so fast, it seems like your eyes are playing tricks on you.
Yeah. It's weird because you see it in the sky and then I see it on the camera.
Yeah. That is insane. This is like the ones where they show like the
It's like it's time-lapsed.
big...
There we go.
Yep, it shows like the big buildings in the back in like New York and crap.
Yeah.
All the lightning storms going around it.
I wonder if that program that you got that I copied, I could put a skyline behind it.
Put your house in front of it.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be sweet. Photoshop my house in front of it. Damn it, now I'm gonna go for 5 minutes.
We're gonna go for 5 minutes now.
It's 4:15 right now. That was a good one. Hope I didn't move too much.
You know a cool place to be doing this right now?
Out in the country?
The lookout.
No. I don't think you'd see it as well because the lookout,
Hey, what? It's high enough up in the sky.
but the lookout's facing that way more or less.
No. Well, kinda.
Might have got that one.
Or out in a big open field where you can see all the sky.
Yeah.
Actually, the top of Hoffman.
Yes. Because you'd have that big open area below you.
That's just insane. I have not seen lightning like this around here.
Okay, now over 5 minutes, so next good one on screen.
There you go.
Yeah.
That was actually a pretty cool one, though.
I want to see a good fucking big ass tree branch go across the sky.
That was a good one because it wasn't too high.
Yeah, it was too high.
I told Heather she should see the lightning.
That was a bright one. Actually, with it being so dark in between flashes, I could edit this, just have it be constant lightning strikes.
Yeah.
I can edit it down to like a couple minutes of constant lightning.
Starting to move over us more. That's pretty good one.
Oh,
That was a neat one. You know, the minute you move there and try to get it somewhere else.
it's gonna go where I was. That was okay. Oh, God damn it.
That's a seizure. That one wasn't so far from the cloud. Just thunder just rolled. That was a good one. And it's so crystal clear bright, and it's actually, it looks like it's really
Ooh.
close. It looks like it's really close, but you don't hear the like loud thunder from it.
The strikes.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I can sit here and watch this whole thing. That was a good one. You got that, didn't you?
Yeah. Got that one.
It'd also be kind of cool to be in a plane above the storm. Straight up above, there's some good ones happening, but they're not as often. That was a long one. Also, we're gonna fly off the deck.
So yeah, it's the pool, we get sprayed with water.
It's amazing. Just think, if you take all this lightning that's happening and put it into one strike, it could go over falls right off the map. Often you get to sit out here and watch something like this and not get rained on.
Exactly.